Alright babies, welcome back to my channel. Of course, all the details to this unit will be listed down in my description box below. If you guys are interested in how to lay your glueless units, I have a ton of videos for you. I will definitely link one or two down in my description box as well, so definitely make sure to check that out. But as you guys can see, this hair is bone freaking straight. So I did go ahead and pre-straighten it, and from here I'm just going to go ahead and see how well it holds a curl and what it would look like to do like some flexi rods. So the hair is extremely soft, extremely silky. I did go ahead and bleach the knots on the unit, of course, and yeah, pretty much from here you guys will just see me attempt to use when I say attempt, you guys know every time I do flexi rods I struggle. So I want to do this in smaller sections because sometimes I think I just do a little too much. So in this case I'm going to separate I guess my hair in two different sections. So we have one side, the left side, and the right side, and then from there, of course, as you guys can see, I have just the bottom half. I'm separating this into about 3 smaller sections, and I'm taking a 1.5 inch Conair flat iron, which is literally like $12. You can get this at the beauty supply store, but I believe I got it from Target. It's probably on sale as well. Sometimes they use it as a wand curl with the barrel. Of course, you can definitely alternate, but as you guys can see, the curls look really pretty. The hair is really shiny, and then I'm using, I believe this is about an inch flexi rod. I tend to get a lot of flexi rods when I get bundle hair and stuff like that, so I don't even remember like purchasing this. So I'm just going to go throughout the hair, and if you guys have trouble with the flexi rods like I do, from my understanding, once you curl the hair, you go ahead and release the curls. As you guys can see, you start from the very end and you go ahead and start to roll the hair up. The problem is if you do not roll the curl like perfectly, and it's like kind of bunched up, it will not come out properly. And so that's usually the hassle that I have. We're going to see by the end of this video what in the world happens, but I'm going to go ahead and just pretty much finish up this process. As you guys can see, I'm kind of moving quickly. No, actually, I just sped up the video. So I think this probably took me maybe about 30 to 35 minutes to actually like fully curl all my hair, just because typically I do a really lazy curl, but I wanted to make sure that everything was properly in its place, and so that, you know, everything got the proper amount of attention. I did not add any hairspray or any hair oils or anything like that. I wanted the hair to do what it needed to do on its own and kind of go from there. I should have pre-trimmed the ends a little bit. That is something I should have done, but I didn't. So yeah, there's that. So I used to have an issue with actually getting the flexi rods to stay in place, but in this case, yeah, I don't know, I did pretty good. It's just kind of like a crisscross situation. It will fall out of place from like where you want it to be, but don't worry, as long as your hair is curled properly, everything should like unravel just fine. So I just really wanted to kind of pop in and show you this one side to see kind of what to expect, how to roll up the hair, and what it should look like. Obviously I should have smoothed it down like way more, y'all. Ugh, I'm always so messy when I do my hair, especially curls. Like I have zero patience, but nevertheless, I'm going to start on the other side, and I wanted to make sure that I had enough flexi rods. So I actually separated the hair and I did like my little bang area, which is not really a bang at all because I didn't trim it, but I wanted to do that area first, and so I decided that I was going to go ahead and actually pin curl this area after using the flexi rod. So as you guys can see, I'm taking way too much hair and just curling everything out as you guys can see. But yeah, the more advanced you get with like this curling tool, I promise you curling with the flat iron will be such a breeze. So if you need to watch this clip like over and over, typically when I curl my hair, I don't really leave these clips in. Like, you see that struggle? Wow. I don't usually leave these clips in because it's just kind of like, oh, I assume everybody knows. But apparently a lot of people do not know how to curl their hair. So now that that's a thing, you guys get to see me do it and kind of just get to see me struggle with these with these pin curls and these flexi rods as well. I'm always like getting the job done. It's always kind of messy, but by the time I get to the end, it's like, okay, I see what you did there, Chrissy. I see what you did. But you want to make sure that you do a really tight curl. Try not to pull the hair to the ends and then roll it up. You want to make sure that you gradually curl the hair back, release a little bit just to give it a little bit of room, and then go ahead and curl it up more, if that makes sense. I know it didn't make sense because I don't even understand what I just said. If you're a visual learner, you already cut me off a long time ago from like talking, and you've been watching ever since. So nevertheless, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just finish this part up and kind of just go from there. So as you guys can see, this is pretty much what the flexi rods look like. You guys can definitely sleep in. As you guys can see, I'm taking these freaking flexi rods out, and you see how the ends, like I can never get them right. What is that about? I just cannot figure it out. So, I don't know. I'm going to have to watch me some more YouTube videos on trying to get that right. I promise y'all, by 2020, I'm going to perfect the wand curl. I really am. But nevertheless, it did come out cute. So, no shame if you need a nice wave. You don't want to put heat in your hair. I don't know. I've never flexi rodded hair without curling it first, so I don't know how that works. Let me know if you want to see it, because we can try this out together. You know, I'll be your I'll be your test dummy. But yeah, I do like the way that the curls are unraveling, though. They did unravel different than the way that they were curled. So as opposed to more of a barrel curl, they did look like more of like a kind of like a wave, like a romantic wave. So I did appreciate that. It looks really, really soft, natural, and cute. Yeah, y'all, look at that. Boom. And if I would have cut some layers in this, I feel like it would have just laid that much better. But yeah, just go ahead and take out these pins. I think I missed one flexi rod like in the back of my hair, just a teeny tiny bit. Go ahead and get that unraveled, and boom. Go ahead and spray your hands and your hair with some argan oil, Cream of Nature argan oil shine. I don't know, I couldn't think. Anyway, I'm just putting that throughout the hair just to make sure that there's no like flyaways and stuff like that, even though there will still be. Always. But yeah, I'm just smoothing that throughout the hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a paddle brush just to brush everything together and really kind of get the curls uniform. This is a point where you can actually physically take your finger and wrap your hair around your finger, and it will go back into its curl spot. So you really get to manipulate the curls when you do the flexi rods and, you know, things like that, because it's already have that curl like preset. It's just a matter of you getting the hair to sit where you want it to sit, you know, that type of thing. So this is pretty much it for the video. I definitely hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely have fun making it for you. Leave any comments or questions down below. I cannot wait to get into these fall tutorials and hairstyles and things like that. Any questions about my makeup, let me know down below so I can get you a quick makeup tutorial. But I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you guys next time. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and get that done for us. I'll see you later. Bye, babies.